Hey friends, if you wish to fix the ERR connection refused error on Windows 11, then please understand that the issue is not with the browser itself. So first of all, we will search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type ipconfig space forward slash flush DNS and hit enter. It will read successfully flush the DNS resolver cache and this should fix the problem. But if it does not, then press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type ncpa.cpl and hit enter. Okay, right click on the active network and select properties. Double click on Internet Protocol version 4. Go to use the following DNS server address. The preferred one is 8.8.8.8 and the alternative one is 8.8.4.4. Click on OK and then on OK once again. Now, if this doesn't help either, then we will have to perform a network reset. So right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, and then you can go to network and internet on the list on the left hand side. Select network settings, network reset, reset now, and then finally click on yes. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.